There was a JAMA study that, Journal of American Medical Association came out in 2011. And what they did was they looked at men that were sleeping around 8.5 hours a night, and they restricted their sleep to around 5 hours per night. And you know what they found? After 1 week of sleep restriction, their testosterone went down from 10 to 15%. Okay.
Wow.
Yeah. This is a JAMA study. So what that tells me,
yeah,
10 to 15%. Now you think about how many men out there are sleeping not enough hours per night. I mean, I always recommend people at least 7. Like 7 is like the absolute minimum. And if you can get 8, maybe 9's good for you. But if you're getting 5 hours a night, that's not going to be helping with your testosterone production, because that's happening at night, right? And that's partly why when you wake up in the morning, some men wake up with erections, right? That's when your testosterone level is really the highest. And that's also when, by the way, you should get your lab work done for measuring testosterone is early morning, because that's going to give you a more accurate indication as to what that level is. So I'm all about sleep, Dad, in terms of men getting better sleep, right?